Hello everyone, it's time to make another baby keepsake. I just love making these. Every time I get an order for these, I get so excited and I can never wait to start. If you've watched my other baby keepsake videos, then you know I always do a place test to see where things go best. So the theme for this keepsake is light pink and purple with gold butterflies. I added pink and purple flowers in the space so it wouldn't just be left blank. I let all of this sit for 24 hours and come back to do the second layer of light pink and purple that she requested. I added a little bit of white to the pink and purple to get a lighter shade of both colors. I add each color into the mold little by little to make sure I don't overdo it. If you've liked this video so far, please like and subscribe to see more videos like this. I let this layer get firm and I come back for the last layer with the same process as before, which I didn't get to record unfortunately. Now it's time to demold. I think this came out so beautiful as it is, but my customer requested some gold butterflies and her child's name and birthday. I cut all of this onto gold vinyl and came back later for a top coat to give it a nice shine. And here is the finished order, ready to be packaged. You see how that top coat creates the shine? I love it. I hope my customer loves it as well. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you later.